Ang pakiramdam ng excitement at happiness na nararamdaman kapag may gusto ka sa isang tao. Ang pakiramdam ng hindi mapakali kapag nasa paligid ka ng taong gusto mo. Oh please, pakigising ang taong nananaginip ng gising. It's now or never. Pero tulad ng freshness, may ending din ito.
Uy, okay ka lang?
Floating through life on a cloud, as the feeling lifts you above the crowd. It's turning out to be an awesome day. Close your eyes and hear the song. There's no reason to feel down. Close your eyes and let every happy feeling lift your feet off the ground.
One fresh word it night.
Fresh. Connect love.